Inventor Gene Watson believed he made a discovery in ion thrust that uses alternating current, high voltage AC, instead of direct current, high voltage DC, like in weaker ion lifters using the bifield Brown effect that hobbyists make using tinfoil and balsa wood. He says his AC ionic wave lifters are different and they look different. He uses wire mesh and the little pieces of metal wire sticking out, he calls them needle points. Ion wind propulsion is considered electric propulsion, also uses the term electrohydrodynamics, EHD. Gene Watson speculated that his AC lifters are more powerful ion thrusters that can generate sustained thrust both in atmosphere all the way to vacuum, where internal stored gas can be used with the ion thruster in space. Gene Watson claims his AC ion wave motor does not have the problem of breakdown voltage at high altitudes. He claimed it can generate high static thrust speeds exceeding chemical burn rocket exhaust if built at a larger scale and more voltage, like 1,000,000 volts. A propulsion breakthrough replacing chemical burn rockets that pollute the atmosphere and are loud and are big and cumbersome. He is quoted in email and a video documentary describing how his AC ionic wave lifters work. He uses a high-frequency step-up transformer. He's quoted as mentioning a half capacitor, triode or triac, and there is a corona or ozone smell, a corona discharge, and a zapping sound when there is a short. He claims the schematic of a fluorescent lamp is similar in design to his AC ion lifter. High voltage AC ionocraft configurations he created are tubular, hole, like in a lenticular craft or saucer, blade stack, deltoid, spiral, and ball. While living in America during the 1980s, he discovered ion thrust using direct current. After moving to Italy in the 1990s, he made ion lifters using direct current and then discovered AC ion lifters. He made a discovery in electric thrust using a Van der Graaf generator during the late 60s or 1970s, while holding a hollow tube standing a distance away and sticking his arm inside the hollow tube, and then feeling a lightning bolt type shock or jolt. He says his high voltage AC lifters would be more efficient if 3D printed. NASA has something similar called the radio frequency ion thruster that uses an electrostatic accelerator grid system. He speculates Nicola Tesla could have made a similar discovery after seeing a 1919 article in Hugo Gernsback's magazine Electrical Experimenter showing a hypothetical wireless airship illustration called the Aerial Tell Automaton. Details on Gene Watson's AC ion lifters and theoretical propulsion concepts based on his discovery are illustrated in self-published books, also now free PDFs that can be viewed on Internet Archive, and also the video documentary AC Ionic Wave, that's also on Internet Archive. In the 2020s, a company named Undefined Technologies, former Lockheed Martin employees, created an ionocraft drone using a large grid of electrodes. And MIT also tested a prototype of a miniature plane using ion thrust. Check out the description of this video for an excerpt of his writing, his email writing, where he describes his AC ion thrust.